Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace an alternator on a JKU Wrangler 2007 to 2011 with a 3.8 liter. It's very simple to do, at least an alternator on this type of Jeep. Obviously it's right there. First thing you're going to do is the serpentine belt. You're going to take off the belt. There's the tensioner is right there. You just push it up. Just slide it off. You don't even have to take the belt all the way off. Over there you got a 16mm bolt. Another 16mm bolt right there. You got a 13mm bolt holding this bracket. Okay. Then you got 13mm on your positive lug over here. And the plug itself, this plug. The electrical plug. You take those out. Of course, you disconnect the battery before you do any of this. Okay? And then it just slides right out and you do the reversal of removal. And that's basically it. So, to recap, take the tensioner off the serpentine belt, take the belt off. You got your two bolts right there. One bolt up here. The bolt for the electrical, positive. And this plug, and that's it. Really fast to do. Any questions, leave them below, but it's pretty straightforward on this one. Alright guys, MotorCar 2020. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. Any questions, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys and girls.